So this is Marialine Condimalay again. So I am from CTU Daan Bantayan, taking up the course Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics 3. So for today's video, I am going to share with you what I have learned on the topic we had under the subject of School Food Service Management. So by the way, the topic is all about metric system or converting within metric system. Before, I honestly wasn't able to totally understand what is metric system all about. But with the last discussion we had on this subject, luckily I was able to understand what is it all about. So first, I will introduce to you what is metric system. So, metric system is a system that uses measurement of matter, liter, gram as the base units of length, weight, and capacity respectively. So, the metric system is commonly used around the world, aside of the country of United States, wherein they use different form of standard measurement. First thing that I have learned in metric system is the common metric prefixes. So we have the kilo, hecto, deka, the unit, and dc, centi, and milli. So at first, I had a hard time in familiarizing or remembering these prefixes, but with the use of the line, which is King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, so it makes me remember these prefixes or metric prefixes easily. So because this line stands for the metric prefixes, so we're in King stands for the kilo, and Henry stands for hecto, then doesn't stand for deca, and usually stands for the unit, and drink stand for dc, then chocolate stand for centi, and lastly milk stand for milli. So see, so this line helps us to easily remember the common metric prefixes. So the next learning, which I think is the most important thing that I have learned in this topic, is all about converting through decimal movement. For me, this method is more easy than the other method of using multiplication and division. It's because in this method, as long as you familiarize the common metric prefixes, then you can easily convert unit to another unit. First thing is that you just have to determine the direction and size of the conversion. Next, you just have to move the decimal point in your measurement. So just for example, we have here 1 kilometer to centimeter. So you can see there 5 movements coming from kilo to centi. So you just have to add 5 zeros. So the answer of that is 1 kilometer is equals to 100,000 centimeter. The same principle applies when moving a decimal point into the left. Begin inserting zeros when you move the decimal beyond the numbers available digits. For instance, let's say we want to convert 1 millimeter into meters. Since meters are 103 times larger than millimeters, we would simply move the decimal 3 spaces to the left. Therefore, there are 0.001 meters in 1 millimeter. I also learned that if you are going to convert a unit going to right, you will have smaller units. And on the other side, if you are going to convert unit going to left, you will also have bigger units. Our subject teacher, Miss Linilyn Katam Isan. That's all. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.